Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Aslam Beg, HM Al Mahmood International School, Akola. Dear parents, today I want to discuss about first term examination. So it's my request you all kindly listen me very carefully. First of all, I will discuss about how to download paper and how to upload answer paper. Before that, orally I will read in front of you the instruction which has been given on our timetable portion. So now I open here uh, 5th class timetable and portion. So in that you can see from 5th November we have this examination and up to 12th of November, last paper on 12th of November, and some instructions also given here. So before beginning the exam, which instruction we have to keep remember? So first instruction is install on your computer mobile schools app. If already installed, ignore this. School app you have to install. Second one is attempting exam use learn option in schools app. Paper will be based on objective and descriptive type questions. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 12th, these all classes we have objective and descriptive both kind of questions. There is objective questions also and descriptive as usual we took in our physical classes. After that, make sure you have a good internet connection. So for accessing paper, downloading, uploading, we need internet connection. So once you have to check before starting paper you have good internet connection or not. Maintain register for writing papers. For writing papers you have to maintain register. In that, from first to last all paper you have to write there. If suppose by mistake your file is damaged, so subject teacher can ask you resend that for evaluation purpose. So it's compulsory to maintain register for writing answer paper. So I already you have practice book all student have. So practice book we can use for writing answer. Ensure to write name, roll number, class, subject, date, etc. on answer sheet. Don't forget to write page number on the answer sheet. Okay. Now during the exam it is also very important. First instruction is given here, do not begin until you are absolutely ready to start. When you are going to start you must have pen, register, all things must be okay. If something is not available there and you started, so when you will start paper, so timing will be started. So before writing paper, first of all check are you absolutely ready or not. Second one is you will have 3 hours 2 hours for Hindi and Urdu to complete your exam. So timing is also given there. In that timing you have to solve paper and you have to upload paper also. Test must be started at 9 am. Inshallah before 9 at 9 am paper will be unlocked. So from 9 am we can start it. So if students are more in at any one's home, suppose 2-3 students have to give this exam, so no problem, one by one you can make them solve. Okay, no need to worry, we have only one mobile and how all student will solve, and instruction is given at 9 o'clock we have to start. So no need to worry, one by one you can make solve. Paper will not be locked up to 6 pm. Okay. And you can attempt exam only once we started paper, so only once we can attempt. If you are thinking again I will start and again I will get time, it is not possible. Now how to download question paper? See, for downloading question paper we have to go in school app, then learn, then select paper, then continue, then start, then click on green button. So When you will click on green button, paper will be downloaded in file manager my file. Okay, in Samsung mobile there is, I think, not file manager, there is my file. So in that document section we can see our paper downloaded, and in another mobile we have file manager. So in file manager document sections we can go and we can see there our download paper. How to submit answer paper? So now in given timing we have to write paper, and how to submit answer paper, it is also very important. After solving, how you will submit this one. So make a clear image of answer sheet in sequence. Page number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this sequence we have to take clear photo, and then convert image into PDF. Then we have to convert all that in PDF. Upload PDF file using choose file option, which is given in app. Tap on send button, wait for confirmation. Online classes will not be conducted during the exam. If you encounter problems accessing or submitting your test, you must contact our instructor immediately by phone. So there Syed Shoaib sirs and Syed Ubair sirs numbers already given there. If you have any problem, so you can talk to them. So it was orally instruction. Now practically I will show you how to download and how to upload answer paper. So for this you have to go in school app according to instruction. Now we entered in school app, then start, then open, and now go learn app. After it will take some times, click on learn app. It will take some times for opening, because due to poor connection it takes some times to open. Now here see so many papers are given. See here given 10 demo descriptive. So like this you will get here English, Science, Maths, Hindi, Marathi. If suppose 5th of November we have English paper, so on English paper we have to tick, click. Now here 10 demo descriptive, I will click on that. Then I will get here this screen. So now you have to use continue button. According to our instruction, it will take some times to open. After using continue button, after pressing continue button, now you will get some instruction, time allowed now, duration 3 hours, like so. Then you have to start your paper. After starting this paper, you can see here according to our instruction green button is given here. See this green button, 7th English is written. Now you have to press that. So after pressing that it will show downloading file, downloading file. So it means now your question paper downloaded. But where it is downloaded? It is downloaded in file manager. So we have to freeze this school app. Don't close, we do not have to close. And one important thing we have to keep remember, see upside you can see time started. So 3 hours paper, so 2 minutes 59 2 hours and 59 minutes are remain. So in this timing you have to solve paper, you have to make solve paper by your word, and in this timing you have to upload paper. After finishing this timing, if you will upload paper, so app will not accept. So this thing we have to keep remember. We must know we have 3 hours, so in this timing we have to write paper also and we have to upload. So our paper downloaded there, so we have to freeze this school app. Now we have to go in file manager. Now I am going in my file manager. My file manager, audio, video, photos, documents. So now I enter to documents. See there you can see 7th English PDF. So 7th English PDF you have to open. Now paper is in front of you. So if you have a printer facility, so you can print this paper. If you do not have, so no problem, from here also you can make solve. This is your paper, all instructions are given there, how much time you have and how many mass paper, like so. So this whole paper you have to make solve on any register. And after solving this paper, for uploading this we need a PDF converter, because we have to convert it into PDF. So for PDF converter, now today or tomorrow anytime you can go in Play Store, and there we can install PDF converter. So many PDF converter are given there, so I think fourth number is good. You have to install this one. If already any converter, PDF converter you have, so no need to install. If not, if you do not have, so install this one, PDFO. So this PDF converter is necessary for converting our answer pages, register pages into PDF. So now today, tomorrow, anytime when you will get time, you have to install this from Play Store. Only 11 MB file it is. It's installing now. So Alhamdulillah, it is successfully installed. So now we got our question paper. Now we solve our paper. So after that, by using this PDFO, we have to go in PDFO. So it will ask some information, we have to allow that. And now directly three options, choose photo, camera or gallery. So directly camera you have to choose, okay, and take photo. Now I am taking here photo. Suppose it is my answer sheet, so page number 1 I have taken. It will show here page number 1. Then you can take page number 2. It is showing here 2 pages. Now it is page number 3. Okay, now it is page number 4. So like this, how many pages you have of your answer sheet? Maximum 120 pages you can upload. You can make file of 120 pages. Now after, if you are if you took photo, so now press on finish button. Okay, after finishing, see here also given finish option. So finish, use, select quality, base, medium, low. So best quality you have to select. Enter name. Suppose it is Zed's paper, so he will write here Zed, his name Zed English, and class 7. Give like this name. Now our give like this name, and now Alhamdulillah our file is ready. Now once again we have to go in school app. We have to go, which is already we freezes. So after going in school app, now how you will upload this file, PDF file? So here you have to go in, see here is given choose file, choose files. So click on that choose files and go in files. Okay, after going here, see here is given Z English. This is your PDF name which you make now. So tick on, and after ticking that, see there is given Z English 7th PDF. Now you have to use send button. Very simple, you will understand very soon inshallah. We will take mock test also. So now it is window is appearing here. Do you want to send the result to instructor? Is this your final answer? So now if you will say okay, so inshallah this paper will go to the instructor, mean concerning subject teacher. for evaluation purpose. So after sending, don't close this, wait for confirmation, wait for confirmation for some times. So you have to wait for confirmation, means see, after sending file you have to wait for this window. See, attachment file 7th English, your answer, you uploaded file Zaid English 7. When you will get in green color say Zaid English 7, it means your paper submitted to the school, submitted to the subject teacher. If you are not getting this one, mean here is not showing your uploaded file, it means your paper not reach to teacher, and it may show absent. So if suppose due to poor connection time is out and you couldn't upload your file, I think inshallah it will not happen, all things are okay, and our instructor will also try to resolve if any problem arises in between. But suppose you are trying to upload and due to poor connection your paper is not uploaded, so no need to worry, don't worry. So directly talk to our instructor, he will show you option, okay. So but your uploaded file it should be seen. Now alhamdulillah successfully your paper uploaded and your ward finished this paper. So it was now you can come back from this app, your paper completed. So alhamdulillah it was the procedure how to download and upload paper. So dear parents, this uploading downloading inshallah you will learn very soon, but important thing is we have to make study our children. If they will not study, so they won't be able to solve this paper. So my request to all parents, you all students are at home, before it also I explain your teacher also and your parents also. If you have any problem, teachers number also given, so you can talk to them, but it's our request to you, make them study. What's happening nowadays, students and parents are taking tension, how can we make study, it's so hard. So I think if we will analyze, see, we have 7 papers: English, Maths, Science, Hindi, Marathi, Urdu and Social Science. So among these 7 subjects, Urdu, Hindi, Marathi and English, these 4 are languages. In a Pileway method, student can study. Science and social science, these are conceptual subject. If they will learn concepts, so easily they can write. And maths is a practice subject. If they are making practice, so only they can solve. If they are not making practice, so any condition they won't be able to solve this one. So I hope inshallah you will make them study, and this time 100% student will attend our first term examination and they will score good marks. So how to download, upload paper? So for this inshallah we will take mock test. So timing, date, all things we will inform to you, and by that you can understand how to download question paper and how to upload answer paper. So I think it is enough. So jazakallahu khairan.